yeah. Screw that up. The units are dormant because the building is dormant. I want to show you the 7 units. So here's so this is a 5-ton, as you can see. It's from June 2014. Got a Protec fan motor. Can't really see it, but it's got a Copeland scroll. There we go. You can see. This one's got an A.O. Smith fan motor. I can't tell what compressor it is thanks to Goodman's louvered grills. Probably go over here and see. That's hard to see, but it has a faded Copeland scroll. Well, the logo's faded. Yeah. Hope I don't get caught, even though the building's abandoned. This is is that 04 or 03? And they both say it. And this is also a 4-ton. The whole time I thought this was a 4-ton, a 3-ton, and then a 2-ton. But it's actually 5-ton, 4-ton, 3-ton. So this one also is a Copeland. Also has a Protec fan motor. Dude, this one was sitting dormant for well, not really. This one is from April of 2014, and it is a 3-ton. Alright, I'm gonna go send it on the other 4. Just hope I don't get caught. Because even though it's all abandoned, in the time being, you know, it is still, something still might happen. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go guys. Here's a Goodman. They all got a Copeland scroll. When is this from? The serial says it's from serial. It's also from like 03. You know what? It's June of 03. And this one is a 4-ton. Here is the Evcon. Dude, these things are dormant. I'm shaking. Copeland scroll. This one is a 36,000 BTU. 2021. Here's the dude, there's a camera staring right at me. This one, oh yeah, it's a Rheem Corsair. Alright, this one, I'm gonna look. This is alright, it's from 4 of 2005. It's also a 48,000 BTU. It has a Copeland scroll as well. This one, I'm shaking so much right now. It's a 3.5-ton from 04 of 2014, so it's from the same year. Alright guys, I'm gonna dip out of here. I think I got photos so bad, but I can probably do it from the units, because I think I got some good ones. Even though the cameras probably aren't monitored, I was still terrified. You can probably, yeah. See how much I'm shaking? I was shaking last time. But this is the first time you'll see them all off together. Done one of those S-Hug. Probably from the posters they took down. But guys, I hope you enjoyed. Out.